Mobility isn't just about moving from A to B, it's about people. It's how families reunite, how communities grow, how we stay connected. Car parks may seem like simple structures, but they're essential links in our daily journeys, from home to work to the people we care about. But today's mobility is changing. Heavier vehicles, urban density, and sustainability goals require car parks to be more durable, safer, and more efficient. To build for real life, we need smart materials, expert systems, and long-lasting performance, all working together without disrupting everyday routines. A car park should offer more than a spot. It should give peace of mind. Surfaces that do not slip, structures that protect, and materials that last. Our technologies are designed to work together, reducing downtime, ensuring compatibility, and delivering lasting protection from the top deck to the ground-bearing slab. And because many car parks are now gateways to public transport, like park and ride hubs, Sika contributes to a more connected, sustainable urban future. Our systems are durable, efficient, and reduce environmental impact, extending the lifespan of structures and protecting what matters. Sika offers solutions for effective car parks, construction and repair solutions covering concrete production, waterproofing, floors, roofs, joint sealing, fire protection, concrete repair and protection, and structural strengthening.